Good morning. Today I have selected Bharat Electronics Limited in my trading list and I have traded in that also, and as of now I am in profit and I have booked my profit and 1 is to 3.5 risk reward ratio already. So just before 2 minutes I exited from my position. So we will discuss regions analysis, the kind of trade and the learning lesson that I have learned from this trade today. First module, very first reason for the selection of Bharat Electronics Limited is that its dominating pressure. In the current market scenario, anyone can easily see that or say that dominating pressure in this scenario is bearish because the uh, the impact of lockdown is majorly on the impact on the market. So and everyone can feel that, and because of that market is in bear mode. So first reason for the selection of the Bharat Electronic Limited is its dominance by the bearish sentiment, or you can say the sellers are in the control. Second one is the setup that it has created on Friday. The very first thing that I noticed that this stock has created this kind of first support zone and price came out above, and from here you can, let me zoom in the chart so you can, okay, sorry, okay. So after coming out from this support zone, price was again started creating lower highs. The first high, second high, third high, fourth, fifth, very small and narrow range candles were formed. And how intense fight was between bulls and bears you can easily see from this point, from 12:05 till 150, around 1 hour 45 minutes. Very intense fight was fought between the bulls and bear to take the control of the price, but eventually sellers has won because sentiment in the market was bearish and is bearish, and for some time it will be bearish because of the lockdown expectation. So that is the fundamental reason, but as part of technical, as I am a purely intraday trader, so I always look that region in the chart because chart always tell you why I'm going down, why I'm going up. So this is what chart has told me that in the coming session price will move again more down. So be ready for a short trade in the coming session. And at the end of trading session on Friday, you can clearly see the creation of the lower lows and lower highs that indicated now the price has again gone in the hand of bears. So expected or for expected follow through action in this stock will be in downward directions, and that is what happened in the morning. So two regions I have in my bucket, and along with that two region, when I saw morning when I saw the market in the morning, I was ready and started waiting for a pullback that came around 9:35. So why I have taken trade over here, you can see again this high was created. I was expecting the starting of creation of lower highs. So let me zoom in the chart again. You can see this is the second high, first reversal, then a new high was created on 1 minute 9:35 candle, and after that no other high was created, and this particular setup 4 5 candles build up was formed, and at the end of build up a very nice pattern. You can clearly see these two. These two are very you can for beginners. This is not a beginners candlestick pattern. This is a very advanced level candlestick pattern where you can see that inner candle formation, inner candle in this scenario, and this is the ideal inner candle. This is the sorry, ideal inner candle. What this inner candle is showing to us is that first here indecision came. Two things you should have in your mind. First, dominating pressure of stock is selling, dominating pressure of market is selling. Along with that, we are reading the chart of retracement and pullback. So three confirmations of the trend we already have in our bucket, and on top of that we are getting this kind of inner candle. So first candle in this setup or in this candlestick pattern is doji, a classical doji where price was trying to go up, but it was again pushed back by the sellers. So a very nice and classical doji was formed. After that, who is taken the control of price? Bears. So this is the fourth confirmation you have got. Then now from here market will go down, the prices of this stock will go down. So I have taken position when the low of this candle 950 candle was broken. I opened my position on 9 I think 190, yes I think 197.90, and 1 rupees I have taken my stop loss around 198.70. Yes, so 197.70 and 198.70, these the only 1 rupees risk I have taken. And on the above you can clearly see the stock has moved down very heavily, and I booked 1 is to 3.5 risk reward ratio, and I just exited from the position. So I have told you regions and the uh, analysis part and the learning lesson that I have learned, that uh, follow the market. Because here if you see my analysis, my region, then you can clearly see all the things are aligned to each other, and because of that my trade was ended in the profit. So there are other stocks, most of the stocks are in red today, and so we can trade. For beginners, it is an advice that never trade in this kind of market. But for me, when I was started, still I am in the that phase. But I can say that this is the very good phase to trade, because here there is no worry about the trend. Just you have to look out for a retest or a perfect entry point, because trend of stock, trend of market is already known by each and everyone today. So in this case, most traders can win if they trade along with the trend of market. So this is all about today's trade, friend. Thank you. Keep watching, keep supporting, uh, keep learning, because learning is the most important thing that we should have, that will keep you in the morning forever. Thank you. Bye.